Can I have a cookie?
Can I have a cookie?
My balloon popped.
My balloon popped.
The towel is fluffy.
The towel is fluffy.
I hear a bird singing.
I hear a bird singing.
Let's race to the tree.
Let's race to the tree.
My elbow hurts.
My elbow hurts.
The lamp is bright.
The lamp is bright.
I love my mittens.
I love my mittens.
The spider is gone.
The spider is gone.
I see a big cloud.
I see a big cloud.
My juice is cold.
My juice is cold.
The door is squeaky.
The door is squeaky.
I need a tissue.
I need a tissue.
The baby is sleeping.
The baby is sleeping.
Let's build a tower.
Let's build a tower.
My crayon broke.
My crayon broke.
The sun feels warm.
The sun feels warm.
I lost my bracelet.
I lost my bracelet.
The flower smells nice.
The flower smells nice.
I love my blanket.
I love my blanket.
The squirrel is fast.
The squirrel is fast.
I love my pajamas.
I love my pajamas.
The frog jumps high.
The frog jumps high.
My sandwich is yummy.
My sandwich is yummy.
The baby is yawning.
The baby is yawning.
I need my sunglasses.
I need my sunglasses.
The train is loud.
The train is loud.
My tooth is wiggly.
My tooth is wiggly.
Let's make a sandwich.
Let's make a sandwich.
The duck is swimming.
The duck is swimming.
I dropped my cracker.
I dropped my cracker.
The grass is wet.
The grass is wet.
I love my teddy bear.
I love my teddy bear.
The clock is slow.
The clock is slow.
My socks are colorful.
My socks are colorful.
The cat is stretching.
The cat is stretching.
I hear a dog barking.
I hear a dog barking.
The slide is fun.
The slide is fun.
My shoes are new.
My shoes are new.
Let's play tag.
Let's play tag.
The butterfly landed.
The butterfly landed.
I need my umbrella.
I need my umbrella.
The rock is heavy.
The rock is heavy.
Let's dig in the sand.
Let's dig in the sand.
My pants are too long.
My pants are too long.
The book is interesting.
The book is interesting.
I love my scooter.
I love my scooter.
The fan is too loud.
The fan is too loud.
I found a feather.
I found a feather.
The ball rolled away.
The ball rolled away.